Last year, I tasted a blackberry so sweet, it completely changed my mind about this fruit. Most people avoid blackberries because they're sour, but this one? Pure delight. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to grow blackberries from seeds at home. So stay tuned, you won't want to miss a single tip. First, let's save the seeds carefully. Clean seeds are essential to prevent mold and ensure healthy germination. Fill a container halfway with water and add your blackberries. Gently rub them with your fingers or use a short green onion stalk to break apart the fruits, being careful not to crush the seeds. Watch as the water changes color. This shows the fruit residue is separating from the seeds. Pour off the water and rinse multiple times until the seeds are fully clean. Next, air dry the seeds on a plate. Avoid paper, which can make seeds stick together. Blackberry seeds are tough, their shells are hard, and water can't penetrate easily. To speed germination, gently abrade the seeds with fine sandpaper, just enough to thin the outer layer, making it easier for water to soak in. Under a magnifying glass, you'll notice the rough, dark shell has become smoother and thinner, ready for growth. Now, let's plant the seeds. Use a transparent container with drainage holes at the bottom. Fill halfway with compost, less than half a centimeter thick, and water lightly. Transparency is key, as seedlings need sunlight for photosynthesis right from the start. Sow plenty of seeds because not all will germinate, even with careful preparation. Cover lightly with soil, water again, and put on the lid to maintain humidity. For faster germination, pre-treat your seeds using cold stratification. Refrigerate them for a month and check weekly. Keep the soil slightly moist. Once seedlings appear, place the tray in a warm, sunny spot. Only water when the soil feels dry to the touch, and wait until seedlings have 2 to 3 true leaves before transplanting. Roots need to be strong enough to support the plant. Prepare small pots or plastic cups with drainage holes. Fill loosely with soil, leaving about 2 centimeters at the bottom. Gently place each seedling and cover the roots with soil without compacting. Water lightly, making sure the plant is secure. After about a week, new leaves will emerge, indicating root growth. 15 days later, seedlings are lush and ready for a larger pot to accommodate the expanding roots. Use a mix of black soil, compost, and perlite for the new pot. Add wood chips at the bottom to prevent soil loss and provide nutrients. Fill halfway, carefully remove seedlings, and plant without covering the growth tip. Cover soil lightly, giving new leaves space. If planting in the ground, provide support for the vines. In pots, guide the shoots to receive sunlight evenly. Blackberries grow fast. Don't worry if they don't flower the first year. By the second year, expect strong growth and plenty of berries. Growing blackberries from seeds may seem tricky, but with patience, anyone can do it. Every step you follow brings you closer to fresh, sweet berries from your own garden. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more home growing tips, and comment below. What's the first fruit you'll grow from seed? Share your progress with us. Remember, gardening is a journey. Start today, care for your plants, and enjoy the rewards nature has to offer. Happy planting!